Hello bookish nerds, this is Maya or Cranfaerie. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Nerdy Book Box. I am super excited for this one. I've been eyeing them for a while. I really like that they do indie books and do custom covers and stuff for them, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Next thing on the agenda though, before we move on, is a public service announcement. Look at how cute my cup is. It definitely says talk nerd tea to me on the back, which I think is adorable. And it has a cute face. And also it came with a bunch of stickers, so if I wanted I could have put a different face on it, but I like this cute little, like, I don't know what this mouth is, but it's adorable. And the glasses were just... So I need names. If you have any names for my water bottle, put them in the comments. I know this is a high priority issue for us, but yeah. I will post the information for this if I can remember what it is in the comments, because this is great. It's huge and it also is super sturdy, and the straw is like, comes with it. It came with a cleaner and it also came with a metal straw as well. So this is my PSA. And yeah, now we will move on to our regularly scheduled program. All right, you ready for this? Alright, I'm a little wired right now. It's my Friday. I just finished training for work, so I'm just pumped. Okay, there we go. The box. The box is really pretty, actually. It says, "Your box is here. Thank you for supporting indie authors and small businesses." And I am so excited about this. I love that they have the stars on here too. I believe they might be doing a different box from now on just to save the environment a bit, because obviously this is a lot of color. So they did, I think they sent out an email about that, but God, I love this box. All right. First things first, spoiler card. You know me, I don't want to read the spoilers, but I will read the front to us. So this is the April box. Came a bit late. They had some issues getting a pin, the enamel pin for it. So appreciate that she held it so we could get that. And I can't wait to read it. So it's, or, you know, see what's in here. So it's Forest of Dreams, Daughter of Dreams and Dread by Clare K is the book. So we get the book right away off the top. You know exactly what you're getting in this box, book-wise. But the items are thrown in, and you don't know what those are. But I think that's actually good in this case, because it's going to small publications and indie authors. So it's nice to be able to go, hey, take a look at this Instagram page or whatever on there. All right, tissue. My usual mess making. There's always such pretty packaging on this sort of box. All right, so we have tissue, and it says thank you on the front there. Little sticker. And let's see if we can peel it off while saving this paper. And this paper actually does say Nerdy Book Box all over it. So that's pretty cool, very special. A little harder for me to reuse, but that's okay. It's a unique touch, which I appreciate. Let's just slide this outside here. All right, slip it out. Ooh, there are some nice goodies in here. Let's start with this. I think I know who this company is. So we've got a wooden bookmark, which you might recognize. I have a feeling I know which company it is, because obviously, actually I probably found them through Nerdy Book Box if I had to guess. I probably saw their page and then we got them. But we've got a wooden bookmark, and it has antlers, it looks like, and a forest. You can guess in the comments if you know where this is from, and if you don't, I will tell you. But really beautiful. I love this round shape, and I think that's what's giving it away for me, is that I recognize the shape of it. We'll figure out the company at the end of this, though. Next, we have the enamel pin. This is super cute. Let's see here. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." I just like, it brings me such joy to support a small business. This pin is very cute. I'm not sure what the creature is necessarily, but I'm sure I will when I read the book. But super adorable. Definitely going on my pin banner with the rest of mine. I'll bring this a little closer so you can see a little more detail. Very pretty. Aw, so cute. I'm excited to find out what that's about. We have, what does it say? Close your eyes and think of something nice. Now this one's a little hard to show off. It's a little white sticker. So basically you can't see it. Hopefully you can see at least a little bit of it. I'll try to tilt it so you can. But yeah, so this is a little sticker. I'm not sure what I should put this on, but I have it. I will think about this. Leave me some suggestions in the comments. It won't go, well, I guess it could go on my water bottle. I don't really want to add too many stickers to it though, because we've already got the cute face on it. And my laptop has a lot of stickers. There is definitely room for a small sticker though, so that might be an option. Let's see here. We have, this is really pretty. Okay, so this one has an Etsy business tag with it as well. Bookwords Jewelry Shop, Jen Zagaro. And this one is jewelry from Etsy. They're on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram. You can go follow them under Bookwords Jewelry on Instagram. Beautiful little, I think it's a necklace. Yeah, it's a necklace. And it says, having a soft heart in a hard world is courage, not weakness. This is a great phrase, and I am going to live by that. I am the biggest crier you will ever meet. Like, it's the easiest thing to make me cry. And I definitely have a soft heart, if I can toot my own horn. But yeah, so this is on point. And also, I love that it's got this green ribbon and stuff. This is really pretty. So the strand, just like that. So it's got a ribbon, and then it's got the actual rope as well, which is really pretty. I might throw that on. It does not go with my outfit at all, but I do like the shape of it. It reminds me actually of a vintage necklace quite a bit, because it's got the, I'm going to come up to the camera. It has the pendant and then the beautiful ribbon. It's nice as a choker too if I make it tighter, but I like it loose as well. I kind of like when necklaces are up here. I don't know, there's something really graceful about it. Makes my neck feel slender. Okay, I am going to take this off though. It does not go with my burnt orange top at all. Maybe? Yes. And actually I like this clasp. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like easier today, but generally I really struggle with clasps. So once again, that one is Bookwords Jewelry Shop. Super cute. And I like that there's a business card in there. Definitely going to give them a follow. We have a adorable little vinyl sticker. And we're back on this antlers theme, which makes sense with our forescape. Super pretty. I'm going to add that to my green theme. Maybe. We'll see. Actually, I'll put it down here so we have everything together. Knocking over my bunnies. All right. Whoa, this is really pretty. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Okay. Oh, I love this so much. Okay, so this is the front. It is a crazy foil. I freaking love this to death. And also, she's just super pretty. Like, let's just talk about her gorgeous face and this goat. This goat is pretty too. Let's not forget the goat. The back reminds me of Sleeping Beauty. Like, this cottage just brings me joy. I want to go live there. Cottagecore life. But yeah, this is honestly, I think, the most beautiful art print I've ever received. I adore this to death, and I love this shiny foil. I'm such a sucker for shiny things. But yeah, that is definitely going on the bookcase in prime real estate. We have something here that has a cute wax seal with a flower, and it says a bookish haven on there, so I'm assuming that's the company. Look at that cute stamp. Everybody knows that wax seals are my kryptonite in the best way possible. So let's give that an open. And I ripped the bag. What are you? What are you, I must ask? God, I am really wired right now, guys. Scan me, it says. Who and what are you? This has batteries. I'm going to scan this thing once we're done filming. Actually, that doesn't work because then you guys don't get to know what it is. It's like a light. Oh, I think it's a book light. Okay, so I think it's a book light because it would be something that you put over your page while you're reading. So, let's see here. Let's steal 7 husbands. So you would go like this over your page. I'm not sure. I might be making shit up, but it does look like it has lights. We'll look at the spoiler card. The spoiler card will tell all. That is cool, though. That's unique, too. I definitely don't have a book light right now, and my boyfriend goes to bed sometimes while I'm still reading, so. All right, The Piece de Resistance. Nerdy Book Box exclusive by Clare K. We have Daughters of Dreams and Dread. Look at that beautiful cover. Super rainbowy. I'm going to take the plastic off and then we'll take a better look at it. I'm excited for this because I've been wanting to dig into more indie author books, but it's a lot harder to find them and, you know, decide which ones are worth reading. Not that they aren't all worth reading, but, you know, find the ones that are quality publications. All right, so we've got a little book plate, so that'll go inside, and we have our author card, which I shall read in my leisure, but you can see it's a beautiful typed up note from the author. Super excited to read this. First time I read one of these, I definitely almost cried on camera, so we're going to hold off on that because I'm a weeper. Oh, gorgeous. Wow. With the plastic off, you can really see the design. So there's an elk or a deer and then a woman's silhouette. This is a really beautiful cover design. And I really like the font as well. So there we go. The back has trees and the description. To Haley, the one who believed. And it has little antlery designs on the chapter titles. So I'm excited to read that. I will read the description to you guys. Once again, you can skip it if you don't want to listen to me fumble through it. That'll be below. And we will catch up with what my favorite items were at the end. All right, let's get started. When fate tears Estelle Verndari from the ordinary world, dreams become a sinister new reality. In Kiliak, different is dangerous. Different means magic, and magic is punishable by death. Lost and alone in a forest of nightmares, Estelle is saved by Rose, a man with fire in his eyes and blood on his hands. But she must learn to survive this brutal new world if she ever hopes to make it home. As the forest becomes a sanctuary, Rose captures her heart and Estelle discovers the secret magic in her soul, the ability to heal in a world full of ruin. But an ancient power is calling her name. The tyrant king is drowning the forest in death, and taking up arms to defend it means giving up on finding her path home. If Estelle's secret is uncovered, everything she's grown to love will be destroyed. This sounds fantastic, and I can't wait to start it. And it's compact. Like, this is a good-sized book. It's about 300 pages, so I probably can crack through it pretty fast. But, oh my goodness, I'm very excited for this. I have not gotten my hands on a good indie book in a little while. My last favorite indie book would have been the I don't know what I'm talking about. I just picked up The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and now I'm calling it indie. Would have been The Trial of the Lovebird Butcher by Lumen Reese, which I would definitely recommend checking out. That dropped a little earlier this month, and you can find that on Goodreads and then through a couple other sources there. So I would definitely check that out. Really fun book. It's how do I explain it? Urban fantasy with a court trial. Very fun. But yeah, this looks fantastic. Cannot wait to read it. And let's go through what the favorites are. Book's up there. Book is fantastic. Guys, there's no way this isn't the favorite. This is just so freaking stunning. I'm dying. I have to figure out who this is. Let's start with the spoiler card now. All right. This month's enamel pin with which gave all the grief. So this is the troublemaker here. This is from Nerdtastic Panda or Tamara, and it is art for the Surian and White Fawn. So I don't know. I guess that's another book. I'll have to look it up. We also have the exclusive cover, which is gorgeous. I like the original one as well, but I love the color on this one. So that's the original there, and then this is the new cover. Let me know which one you like better in the comments. I'd be curious to see what people's feedback is on that. I like both. I think I like the rainbowy design more, just because it stands out. But the other one is really stunning. I like that there's the color on the inside. They almost flipped it. But they also added like a bunch of pattern and stuff to the new one, so that's really cool. All right. Instead of a paper bookmark, this month they're bringing us a bookmark from the Bookish Den. Told you I recognized it. Yeah, that's totally where I found Bookish Den, by the way, because I got this subscription and then was like anxiously going back to their page all the time, and I feel like they mentioned the Bookish Den on there, or maybe I just came across it. But yeah, love this bookmark. I saw it and was like, this reminds me of something. Okay. Bookish Haven gave us a handy dandy book light. I'll let you know next time when we get our next one how it works, but you know, I probably could have clicked this and noticed that there was like an on-off switch. That would have been a good hint. Which batteries does it need? I really need to get my hands on some AAA batteries. I now have about 4 items that need AAA, and I have none. So maybe that's something I will do tomorrow, is get myself some batteries. Because that seems useful. We have the gorgeous necklace, which is definitely up there for favorite items. I think this and the art print are my favorites. So this one is, as I mentioned before, Bookwords Jewelry Shop. And we have a couple other things. The Deer Skull sticker, that's from Celestial Wood Shop. Gorgeous. And then the double-sided art print featuring the MC herself and a location from the book. And this one is Helena Elias. I hope I'm pronouncing your name wrong. I'm sorry if I'm not. So you can find them on Instagram under Helena_illustrated, which I will be following 100%, smashing that follow button. The only thing that they don't mention on here is this tag, as far as I can tell. So maybe this was just a throw-in. I'm just gonna close your eyes and think of something nice. What is this from? Does it say? Well, it's a beautiful little accessory. Next month's theme, which I am beyond excited for, is the fairy courts. And yes, I am obsessed with fairies, so I'm so here for it. All right, favorite items, least favorite items. We're doing it. Favorite item. We know it. We love it. This gorgeous print. And the beautiful necklace, which I will be 100% wearing 24/7, as long as I'm wearing clothing that matches it. This obviously is excluded. I think least favorite. I don't even really want to do that, to be honest. Let's just do favorite. Favorite, happy place. That is everything for today. Thanks for tuning in and checking out this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and please let me know what your favorite item was in the comments. You can find me under Betwixt Books on Instagram, and you can also find me under Cranfaerie on Instagram and on Twitch. I stream once in a while. I haven't been super active, but I'm picking up my pace now. Training's done today, so it should be a lot more frequent. Let me know what you want to see, because I do a bit of art, a bit of book-related stuff, and a little bit of gaming. Mostly Hollow Knight and Sims, and a little bit of Puraspera. But I'm playing around, learning new things, so let me know. Yeah, so that's what I got for you today. Thanks for checking it out, and cheers!